Wait, where's the screen? Okay. Hi, Wyatt. All right. So this is the worksheet that your mom sent me from yesterday that we didn't do. Okay. On this worksheet, we're going to do the same thing that we did with finding the common denominator. So if there's no common denominator, you need to multiply them by each other. So you're going to actually not make two new fractions this time. You're going to multiply both sides by the common denominator, which is both things together. So the reason that I'm going to multiply by 4y is that I'm going to clear the fraction. Because if I multiply this by 4y and this by 4y, then the denominators cancel out. I don't want to work with fractions if I don't have to, and so I'm canceling the fraction out. So this y and this y are canceled. So all I have right there is 36. And here, the 4's are going to cancel. So all I have is y squared. True? Y times y equals 36. And then this should be clear for you. You just square root both sides. And it's going to be two answers, plus or minus 6. So I'm clearing a fraction. And then I am solving for the variable. Okay? Let's go to number 2. All right. On this, there really isn't a common denominator at all. So my common denominator, least common denominator, is going to be both of them. And you do not FOIL it. You have to keep them in the parentheses separated. So I'm going to multiply both sides by, and you leave them as parentheses, so you're writing it there. Now I'm going to cancel out what can be canceled. And obviously, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video so you can catch up on the writing. All right, a minus 2, a minus 2. So this is now 2 times 2a plus 11. These denominators are going to cancel. And this is going to be a binomial, 3a minus 1 and also a minus 2. And now it's solvable. You're going to multiply both of the parentheses. 4a plus 22 equals 3a squared minus 6a minus 1a plus 2. I'm going to get everything on one side because whenever in math you have like squareds and a to the first, and you got to get everything together because you probably will be able to factor it. So set it equal to 0. So I'll subtract 4a. Oh, hold on. Sorry, 1 second. Make it a 7a, please. Now I'm going to subtract 4a, and I'm also going to subtract 22. So the trinomial is 3a squared negative 11a minus 20. And let me do that in pencil in case I mess up. So it's going to be 3a and a. What multiplies to make 60 and adds up to 11? 15 and 4. Oh, this is good for us to practice, right? Negative 60, negative 11, 15 and 4. Okay, we did this with the factoring. It's going to be negative 15. So here I go, grouping. Remember grouping? 3a squared. What makes 11? The 15 and the 4. Minus 15a plus 4a, and the 20 stays. Okay. Cut it in half. GCF the first part. They both have 3a in common. Uh-oh, my signs are not right. Why is it not, this plus sign and this minus don't match up? I don't know why that is right now, actually. So I'm just gonna 3a plus 4, a minus 5. 4, negative 15. That's right. Okay, this is right. Now, there's something called an extraneous solution. It means an answer that doesn't work. I don't know if your teacher's going to go into that, but basically my answers are 5 and negative 4/3. One of these would not work if the denominator made 0. Like if I said the answer, like a minus 2. If I told you, hey, 2's the answer. That can't be, because 2 minus 2 would be 0. I can't have a 0 in the denominator. That's undefined. But these two answers would both plug in and work, so I'm okay. So you're gonna, on your answers, you're gonna put both of those numbers. Okay? Okay, number 6. The least common denominator is 3 and the k. So everything gets multiplied by 3k. All right, next step. The 3's cancel out. I just have k on top. This k cancels out. I have 6 equals 13. Easiest math problem ever, right? K equals 7. All right, ready? Last one I'm going to do with you. 2n. All right. N cancels. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 cancels. Minus n. Just the n cancels. 2 times n minus 5. Distribute. And solve for n. I added n to both sides. Now I'm going to add 10 to both sides. And divide by 3. 16/3. And that's such a weird number. Let me make sure I didn't make a mistake. Guess I don't think I made a mistake. All right, that's it. Okay, that is the lesson. I hope that you got that, and see you later.